Hello everyone, myself Dr. Bhavika Ogriwala working as a third year resident doctor in SMIMER, Surat. My study was to compare levobupivacaine and levobupivacaine with dexmedetomidine in TAPLOG for cesarean delivery for post-operative anesthesia under the guidance of Dr. Divyangsa and Dr. Deepika Patel. Cesarean section is extremely done under the spinal anesthesia and pain after the section is moderate to severe and failure to provide adequate anesthesia affect the care of baby, breastfeeding, mother-baby bonding, risk of thromboembolism as a result of immobility due to pain. Pain has a two components, somatic and visceral. Post-operative anesthesia should be adequate as well as safe and can be provided with systemic, regional anesthetic technique or multimodal anesthesia. TAPLOG is a regional anesthesia technique that provides anesthesia to parietal peritoneum as well as the skin and the muscle of anterior abdominal wall. In TAPLOG, local anesthetic is given into anatomical space between the internal oblique and transverse abdominis muscle when the anterior branches of thoracolumbar nerves originating from the T6 and L1 are located. Local anesthetics like bupivacaine, ropivacaine, levobupivacaine can be used, and levoisomer have a less systemic toxicity than racemic compound. Addition of adjuvant to local anesthetic prolonged the duration of anesthesia. In our study, we add dexmedetomidine as a selective alpha-2 adrenergic agonist as an adjuvant. My study to compare efficacy of TAPLOG with levobupivacaine versus levobupivacaine and dexmedetomidine in a dose of 0.5 microgram per kg using Ladman technique for post-operative anesthesia following cesarean section. My study was randomized prospective study and we divide patients into two groups, Group A and Group B, each group having 27 patients. Group A patient received levobupivacaine 0.25% in TAPLOG, total volume 20 ml on each side, and Group B patient received levobupivacaine along with the dexmedetomidine 0.5 microgram per kg in TAPLOG, total volume 20 ml on each side. We assess the patient post-operatively for pain at the wrist and the movement using the visual analog scale. Inclusion criteria was ASA physical status 1 and 2 requiring elective or non-urgent cesarean section. Exclusion criteria was patient's diffusion, weight less than 50 kg or more than 100 kg, any contraindication to spinal anesthesia, patient allergic to local anesthetic and study drug, and unable to understand visual analog score. The anesthetic checkup was done after confirming NVM status and explaining about the procedure and visual analog scale. Written informed consent of patient was taken. IV line was secured, preloaded with injection ringer lactate 10 to 15 ml per kg, pre-medicated with injection glycopyrrolate and injection ondansetron intravenously. Spinal anesthesia was given. Patient randomly divided into two groups, Group A and Group B, as described by earlier. TAPLOG was given by landmark technique is a lumbar triangle of Paget which is bounded posteriorly by the latissimus dorsi muscle and anteriorly by the external oblique and inferiorly by the iliac crest. Technique depending on the filling of double pop-up as a needle transfers external oblique and internal oblique muscle. A blunt needle makes loss of resistance more appropriate and is inserted perpendicular to the skin in mid-axillary line between the thoracic space and iliac crest to fill the double pop-up of external and internal oblique muscle. Local anesthetic solution is injected bilaterally. TAPLOG was given for post-operative anesthesia. Post-operative, all the patients were monitored 0, 4, 8, 12 and 24 hours for duration of analgesia and time of first rescue analgesic requirement. Post-operative assessment of patient was done by the VAS score, visual analog score. Observation and result. No significant difference seen in the demographic profile like age, weight, duration of surgery among the both the groups, and all the patients observed among the both group were under the ASA grade 1 or 2. There was no significant difference observed in the both group for pulse, systolic, diastolic BP, preoperatively, intraoperatively, postoperatively, immediately after the TAPLOG at 4, 8, 12 and the 24 hours after the TAPLOG. Post-operatively VAS score assessment at the wrist and the movement. Pain score at the wrist and the movement were lower in the patient who received TAPLOG with levobupivacaine and dexmedetomidine. For first rescue anesthesia and total duration of post-operative anesthesia were significantly lower in the patient who received TAPLOG with levobupivacaine with dexmedetomidine as compared to the TAPLOG with levobupivacaine alone. Patient satisfaction score was significantly higher in the patient who received Tabloc with levobuvir with dexmedetomidine. Limitation of my study, plasma level of the dexmedetomidine were not monitored. Time at which Tabloc given to work could not be differentiated. The time at which the sensory effect of intrathecal block began to wear off could not be clearly differentiated. We concluded that bilateral Tabloc with 0.25% levobuvir provides good quality of analgesia for post-operative period. Adding of dexmedetomidine further improves the pain control and gives higher patient satisfaction without any added side effects.